It's another day. Ay na, nagluto tayo na naman kitang paborito tong foods. And of course, this one is ground beef. And of course, I put a carrots and pepper. And of course, I put some what you call that, tomatoes. So this all do, we're gonna go eat. And of course, mukbang. And of course, good vibes. Oh, because we are Asian, and of course, Pampangan, we love, right? Just all we do, we're gonna put on plate ang ating foods. Yes, Kapampangan version, kilala mo yung ulam mo ini, simpleng hot for cooking is very healthy and organic. And of course, look at that, at saka abayan mo ko, ating katang kapirasong ebon. Oh my God, pwede na, I was excited, so tara king kilubtang bale. O syempre kaliguran, larong sinta. Ito kaliwan kaya itong larong sinta. Kasi initi. Permanan dia. Kaya katamo, siyempre mag-chuchu. The most important is our food. We need to take care of ourselves. We need to take care of our body. The breadwinning award goes to you. So, ayun na. Tara, nakapatad manito ng tana po. This one is really good and very healthy food. Because we can afford to eat some expensive restaurant, fancy restaurant. So, just all we do, we love to cook. Kanyaman, kaliguran na yung pagtsamba. Kanyaman, lalo na itong ating kampantula ko na. Doon ka rin ka pa. Balamit na ba't natin kumikita naman. Aga nakakimpiyan natin kumatuwa. Kasi kanyaman doon, makita naman kami. Kaya piyang natin kumatuwa, mamulot niya. Pag siya may kapulot niya yung pale, pisali ko na. So, ipatong kay Kenny. Kaya makasali na akong obvious. Makasali ko man po yung Bobby. So, ati na kaming pamangan. Siyempre, we always inspired, never expired. Kanyaman na, abel eh. Nakasalamat, may paudo po kay Kongan. Asa po kayo bola kinlalamingkad. Leron sinta, buko ng papaya. Dala, buslo, mga tana.